ನಮಸ್ತೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಜೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನಿಂದ ನಾನು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಒಂಬತ್ತನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ IIT JEE ಮತ್ತು NTSC ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು 6th ಒನ್. ಅದು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದರದ್ದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ರೇ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, one dimensional figure. This is only one dimensional figure. It means it does not have any breadth or width. So this is only one dimensional figure that has no thickness. There is no thick of this line and extends endlessly in the both directions. You can extend in infinity here and here. Okay, there is no end for this line. This is said to be line. Okay, so you can call this is AB. AB is line, right? Sometimes you will use small letters to represent these lines. For example, M, N, L. Okay, I will give an example. You can consider these two are the lines. This is M and this is N line. Okay, so you can call this is the transversal, this is L. Okay, so like this we will represent lines by small letters also sometimes, correct? So this is the definition of line. Next I will go to second one, that is line segment. One is line segment. Line segment means line with two end points. Okay, line with two end points is called a line segment. For example, see here, this is one line. Okay, line segment, you can call this is AB. Here this line contains two end points. This is the one end point, this is the one end point. This is said to be line segment. Okay, we will represent its length. Length we will represent by this symbol, or for example you can take here AB is 5 centimeter. You will represent this symbol by AB equal to 5 centimeter. This means a line segment. Okay, so next I will go to ray. Third one is ray. Ray means it is a part of line. It is a part of line with one end point. Okay, so ray is a part of line with one end point. Okay, for example, already we know this is said to be line. Okay, you can call this is AB, right? This is line. Its part means you can call this is O. Okay, OB or OA, OB or OA. Okay, will represent ray by this symbol. Okay, this is OA. Okay, so it is a part of line with one end point. I will give example for ray. You can call this is the example for ray. Okay, OA is the example for ray. I will give one more example. Here this is sun. Okay, this is its rays. Okay, these all are its ray. Okay, this is example for ray, correct? So next I will go to parallel lines. Parallel lines means two lines are said to be parallel. These two are said to be parallel if these two lines does not intersect at any point. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಹೋಗ್ಕೇಶಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ parallel lines ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. two lines are said to be parallel if they does not intersect at any point. Okay, then this is said to be, then these two lines are said to be parallel. Okay, we will represent parallel by this symbol. This is symbol of parallel. Okay, and distance between these two parallel lines is same. For example, from here to here distance is 1 meter, from here to here is also 1 meter. Okay, then we can say these two are parallel, right. Next I will go to intersecting and non-intersecting lines. If I say to you draw two lines, means you will draw like this, this is one type, and one more type you will draw like this. Okay. See here, this is said to be intersecting lines. Okay. These two lines are said to be intersecting and these two lines are said to be non-intersecting. Okay. Only two possibilities are there, one is like this and another one is like this. Okay. These two are the possibilities of drawing two lines. These two lines are said to be intersecting. Okay. M and N are the lines which intersect each other at point P, you can call. Okay. This is one line, this is one line. Okay. You can call this is M, N. These two are non-intersecting lines. Okay. These two are example for non-intersecting lines and this is example for intersecting lines. After this, next I will go to collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points means, okay, 3 or more than 3 points, points are said to be collinear, if they lies in the same line. Okay. 3 or more than 3 points are said to be collinear when if these 3 points lies in the same line, then we will say these 3 points are collinear points. If this is one line, we can call this is A, B and C. These are non-collinear points. Okay. If 3 or more than 3 points not lies in the same line, then the points are called non-collinear points. Okay. For example, you can take here, this is one line segment A, X. Okay. This is B point, this is C. Okay. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. These 4 are non-collinear because these 4 are not lying in the same line. Okay. So, I hope you understand. Next